So the contents we are discussing in this video is what is stack, how stack looks like, operations performed on stack, its algorithm and code, and further the examples of stack in real life and the field of computer science. So first of all, what is stack? A stack is a linear data structure which works on the principle of LIFO. LIFO means last in first out. So in this slide we have an empty stack. So first of all we discuss the two conditions which can be arised when you try to do a program or you are programming in the sense. So if we want to perform a pop operation in an empty stack, so whether knowingly or unknowingly, the condition arises is the underflow. Let's imagine that if we want to delete an element in the empty list, or we can say the array, or in the any data structure or any other thing, if we want to delete an element but the structure is already empty, so how we can delete it? So the condition arises is underflow. And similarly for the fully filled stack, if we want to push an element in the limited size stack, so how it can be inserted into the stack? So at that situation the condition arises is the overflow. Okay, so we are back to the picture. In the first step we had pushed an element which is 1, and in second step we had pushed another element which values is 2, and in third step the element is 3, and in fourth step we have performed the push operation, sorry, pop operation. So here you can see the pop operation deletes the topmost element, not the bottom one, not the middle one, or we cannot delete the bottom one and the middle one. So pop operation or the push operation, both we can say, performed on the stack which has the action area at the top only. So the element which we want to insert, that is the push operation we have performed. So the element is inserted at the topmost only. And if we have performed here the pop operation, the stack in this stack, the topmost element will be deleted, not the middle one and the bottom one. So the area of action of the stack operation is the topmost element or the topmost position. Okay, slide. So these three mainly the operation performed on stack is push, pop, peek. So the push operation is basically to insert an element into the stack, and the pop operation is to delete an element in the stack, and the pick operation performed on stack to know the top and to know the current position of the top. Okay, so these are the operations. So what is the push operation and its algorithm? So we had discussed that push operation refers to inserting an element in the stack. The new element can be inserted at the top of the stack only. So we have discussed this previously also. The algorithm of the push operation is the top. We had pushed an element in the stack, so obviously the top has increased as previously I explained to you. Then the new item which we want to insert in the stack, that takes place the position of the top, which is the new top in the stack, and obviously the stack size increases. So n is equals to n plus 1, means the size of stack is increasing. Okay, then the code for the push operation is the return type of the function and then the parameters which we are passing in the parenthesis is stack and the size and the top and the item which we want to insert. So the item which we want to insert, that takes place the top. So the top is previously decreasing as the new item is inserted, so the top is increased from the previous one, and obviously the stack size is also increased. Then we move further in the slide. So there are the real examples of a stack, the stack of coins and the stack of, we can say, books. So if we want to pick up or if we want to take the book from the stack of books in the library or in the almirah, so we have to pick the top one out first. So that's the working of the stack. And the bunch of chapati also. So here are the application in computer science field of stack is evaluation of arithmetic expressions, backtracking, delimiter checking, reverse data, and the processing functional calls, and etc. etc. So what is the evaluation of arithmetic expression? In computer science, the following are the arithmetic expression in the form prefix, postfix, infix. So to solve the prefix and postfix or the infix one, we have to perform the operations of stack, or we can say we use the applications of a stack in the form to solve the arithmetic expression. So here are these application. You can research further on that on the internet. So thank you. If you like the video, then do know me. Thank you, all of you.